Today we're going to learn how to program a timer on the Omron PLC using CX Programmer software. We have an initial program started in our PLC with selector switch 1 turning on light 1. So we will add another normally open contact to control our timer. And we'll just call this 4.01, and that will be selector switch 2. And OK. And we'll have that turn on our timer. To program a timer, we'll use our block instruction, and we have to put it on the left side of our power block. And timers are TIM, and then we have to hit a space and the number we want to call the timer. In our instance, this is our first timer, so we're going to call it timer 0. We'll hit space again, and then we'll hit the pound sign, and then we'll have the preset value of this timer. We're going to have it for 3 seconds, so these are 100 millisecond timers. So to get 3 seconds, we need to type in 30. That will be 3-second time. And then add a comment. In this application, we are not putting a comment. So we must connect our lines. We'll do that by hitting Control and using our arrow key to connect our lines. To control the done bit of our timer, we will do a normally open contact, and we'll click on another rung. In the Omron PLC with the CX Programmer, you must create another rung, so your contact will be on rung number 2. And we'll call this T0. So this will be the done bit of our timer. When our timer has timed out, this instruction will become true, and we'll use that to turn us on at light. And we will use 5.01 as light number 2. Again, we must connect our lines. Now, whenever we select a switch for 3 seconds, then our light will come on. And again, we have changes in the software, so we have to take it from the software to the PLC. Our first step is to go online, so we click our little triangle, and it will connect us to the PLC. Our switch is true, but our light is not on because we have not downloaded it to the PLC. You can see the switch changes, but our timer is not timing. To send it to the PLC, we will click on PLC, transfer, and to the PLC, and hit OK. We have successfully downloaded it to the PLC. We will turn the PLC back on. Now, whenever we make selector switch 2, our timer will start timing, and then 3 seconds later, our light will come on. One thing that is unique about the Omron PLC, the PLC starts with its preset value, and as the timer comes on, it counts down, and then when it is down to 0, then the output will come on. That is how you program a timer on the Omron PLC using CX Programmer software.